Hello, I'm Bill, and today I am here to give a tutorial of the first Caribou Coding Contest Junior Contest question. It is called Color Schemes. So the statement is, welcome to the first Caribou Coding Programming Contest. We hope you find these questions interesting. The Caribou color scheme consists of the colors red, orange, and white. Let's put your ability to identify them to the test. Given two colors, I'll put the third. Input consists of two lines, each of which contains one of the three strings, red, orange, or white. It is guaranteed that both lines will contain distinct colors. Output whichever string was not inputted. That output must match exactly, so all capitalized. Again, we are using PyCharm CE, also known as PyCharm Community Edition. So we're going to create a new file, the Python file, junior, because it's a junior test question number 1. So here we will be starting, and we put I equals input. There's two lines of information, so we do it twice. Then after this, write if orange in quotation marks, because then it's a string that matches I and J, both are strings, not equals I and orange does not equal J. Then print orange. And we copy this part now. Paste. Now just change all the oranges to white. So this time, if we check if white is in any of those, if it's not, then it will just print white. If, and then else if neither white or orange is not in it, then it has to be red. So just print red. So then this should solve the problem. Because the question window already closed, you can't use it anymore, but I will just use this. So orange, white, then it'll be red. Red, white, then becomes orange. And then orange, red. It says white. So just like that, we have written the code for the first question of the Caribou Coding Contest. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, like and subscribe. Bye.